It's Dave here again, and this video is to show what apparently is an unavoidable event in 3D printing, namely the unexpected clogging of the hot end and the nozzle with melted filament. Here we go. So this will be a bit of a disjointed series of images and videos of my experience cleaning a clogged nozzle. There are videos out there showing the various ways of dealing with this issue. This will show what I did the first time I was faced with stringing, under extrusion, and eventually saw that nothing was coming out of the end of the clogged nozzle. Apparently, I have a plugged Bowden tube, and if you look at the far end, and I doubt if the camera will be able to see it, but yeah, it gets pretty blurry, but you can see the end of the filament is broken off right there. And if you look at the other end of the Bowden tube, you see that it too is filled with molten plastic. So I've seen in some videos where apparently you cut off a certain distance of this, and I don't know whether the length of this tube is so critical that how much I can cut off, expose the filament, and then pull this filament through on this end if I'm careful not to cut through the filament when I'm cutting away the outer part, the Bowden tube itself. I've tried sticking the smallest Allen wrench into the far side over there, the far side that's now crimped underneath this horizontal bar, but tried sticking it in with as much force as I could, and nothing obviously would come out of this end here because it is just melted. As far as looking down, when I pulled this end away, there was a little piece of stringy filament that kind of oozed out the end there. Clean that off. We'll repeat this until it comes out clean. I am going to heat this up to 215 degrees, and then I'm going to use the end of the Bowden tube to clean out the hot end, because when I looked down through this opening, I could see that there was still some plastic filament stuck in there. So with the nozzle gone, I'm going to just use this end of this tube to force it out.